Skater? I barely know her. Alright, so this year, man, this freaking year, who even cares? I cut my hair off to feel something. I've been stressed cleaning. I've been eating on the toilet to save time and be more efficient. Dude, I stopped caring. So if you're here to call this man who's eating Magic Spoon cereal on his toilet a poser, I don't even care, man. I'm not posing for anything. I'm just sad. And clothes make me happy. Just let me try my best. All right, so that was my caveat. And now it's time for the cool Tony Hawk Pro Skater skins video. All right, so for this relaxed street skater, whatever you want to call it, style, there's a lot of vibing. There's a lot of relaxing and not caring. And there's a lot of culture involved. Unlucky for you though, none of these things are available to purchase on the free market. But hey man, lucky for you, I got some things that you can buy and I got the plug on the style cues to help you dress like a skater boy so that she can see you later, boy. As in, she will leave you. But at the very least, there's a takeaway. You know, you can have a bunch of cool new tricks and tips that can make you build cooler fits and that can help you build your own personal style, which is really the main quest in life. These are just a bunch of side quests. But before building on any style, I think the best thing that you can do to actually look good and put together and just not look like you're trying to cosplay something you're not is figuring out what will actually pair up to be a cohesive fit in your taste. And what I do for that is you kind of just have to be preemptive with your purchases. Don't just go out and buy a bunch of random crap. You have to kind of plan things out, which is why I kind of like sometimes I'll make mood boards or I'll just look at a bunch of fits that I like or just know like color theory and like, oh, this color goes with this color, so I know it's gonna work. And for that, I use the sponsor of this video, the homies over at Shop Tagger. Look at this. Look at my skate list. You just know all these pieces are gonna go well together. He was a skater boy. Go save that paper, boy. As in, Shop Tagger is the best way to save money online shopping. It does everything you need when you're browsing, and it's totally free. I keep having to say this. Like when you're browsing a store and you see something you like, and you gotta think about it first, bam, hit this Shop Tagger Blue Boy right here. You'll get this drop-down menu where you can save an item in a specific size depending on your bones. And you can get notified via email or push notification when a price changes. I kind of just pick any price change because it doesn't take much to impress me after this hell of a year. And they will also slide in your DMs if it comes back in stock when it's sold out. And the next feature is my favorite feature, the list feature, where you can organize all the stuff you guys want to save depending on a certain look or style that you're kind of going for. Set up that mood board, get that preemptive mix and matching. Like back to my Tony Hawk Pro Skater list, that's like actually what it's called. Just so that I know what I'm doing. And you can see all the pieces that I have saved as all these graphics and colors. They kind of go together so that I can mix and match and I know what I'm looking into before even buying it. It's a lot of fun and honestly, it's super effective. Like I've saved so much money looking at crap going, oh my God, that's ugly. Anyways, but if I like something, bam, just set all the parameters, bam, I saved it. I said, see you later, boy. Also, would you look at the dates, baby? Black Friday coming up. Big day for fashion. And Shop Tagger is the best way you can be strapped for it because it's like you might as well save the stuff you like ahead of time. And then if it goes on sale, you'll get notified so you're the first one there. And my latest and favorite conquest with this app was when I saved this pair of brick pants because I was thinking about it and then they sold out and then I got an email from the homies. Bam, where you at? What you doing? ETA, pants on sale. Bought the pants because they restocked and they were on sale for whatever reason. Shop Tagger will also search the web for coupons if you let it so you know you're getting the best deal every single time. And they also have this cash back feature where you'll get this wide blue boy on a partnered site. Bam, just click it and then just shop as normal. And then you'll get cash back after a certain period. It's so easy. And to have as much fun as I'm having right now, all you gotta do is click the link in description. Bam, sign up, put all your information in right there. Install the browser extension. I use Chrome because it's the best one. Don't stop arguing. And bam, you're good to go. Life is better. It's so much easier. Go get Shop Tagger now, guys. You'll get the blue boy, have a lot of fun. So starting off with the most important part of any style is its core. You need these core foundational pieces first, because if you don't, then you're naked and that's illegal. This part's honestly pretty easy and universal because you got a lot of basics and essentials that just kind of go with a lot of different looks anyways. Like for tops, you know, you got vintage tees, you got old big hoodies, comfortable. There's a lot of room to work with here, guys. It's stylish and low effort. And for bottoms, you got a lot of jeans. You're probably rolling with either jeans or chinos, but a modern twist. A lot of people are on this right now. Cargo pants. Everyone's on a cargos now, but I know for a fact none of y'all are in the actual military, okay? Posers? Posers? Run me your pockets. I better see at least one thing in each and individual cargo. It's called cargo for a reason. I got one pocket for every Tamagotchi that I killed in middle school. So I am strapped. And for shoes, it's pretty obvious. You just roll with a skate shoe, you know? There's a lot to work with here, but you're usually kind of gonna be in between the lightweight sneaker realm. I'm kind of on the Ninja 2s right now. I just really like the shape and they're comfortable. Just find it easy to run errands in them and stuff. But Vans have my heart, and everybody already knows that. There's no need to go into that. And not that you have to buy an actual pro skater shoe. Like, there's no one-to-one uniform with dressing like this kind of style. Like, Halloween is over, guys. If you're just here to play dress up, then the trick is on you. There's no treats here. Trick or treat, nope, it's just you. It's just a matter of mixing style cues so that you can kind of blend everything you've learned to make your own style. Like, one of my personal favorites is just a stupid novelty tee that probably says something dumb, as a lot of my tees do. And then a nice fitted pair of trousers that I found somewhere. And then some fun sneakers. Always trying to have fun. That's like my main thing. And when it's cold, layer on top of it, bam, good foundation. I can kind of just throw crap on top of it because I have good core foundational pieces from the style that I can build on top of, guys. It's like a sandwich. He was a sandwich boy. So like any other style, this type of street skater style is just dependent on having a good foundation of essentials that you can mix and match so that you have a lot of variety and so that you have a lot of longevity in your closet. Okay, here's the next part that dials you into the look, which I think is also one of the most important parts of anything, which is fitment. Here I always find it best to chill out, just pick a more relaxing drapey fit because we don't care, man. None of this matters. We don't care. It's just the whole not caring thing. It's part of the look. And you guys know me. I love slim pants. I've loved them my whole life. I like it when my legs look like little cigarettes. And lately, I've been taking the longer, more relaxed fitted route just because I've been not caring and I wanted to reflect in the way I dress. And you need this for the look. You know, look at this. My legs can breathe now so that I don't have to. I don't want to breathe. But then again, we're not doing Halloween anymore, guys. You got to get your own style. Honestly, my muse for this, number 4 from Kids Next Door, he got it going on. He's the muse. And for tops, you got a lot of room to work here. It's just oversized. You know, everyone knows how to do it. People do it on accident. The main thing you got to get right here is the pants. I think everyone should look into it. It's really easy here. I'm just going to cut your workout for you. It's 3 things you got to measure. Measure your waist, measure the length, and this part that not a lot of people think about, measure the rise. The part from your little right here to the waist. Just measure that. And bam, you got your 3 measurements and you can go online on Grailed. A lot of the times they'll have measurements that you can look at and juxtapose your own. And bam, you're good to go. You can go buy a bunch of pants with confidence that you know are gonna fit right. I'll have examples of myself right here. Look at this. Like these 2 I got recently. They fit different. They fit well, but they have a different fit. And I knew they were gonna fit well because these 2 have the same measurements of the 3 that I was talking about, just different widths. This one right here, actually I'm wearing these right now. These ones are a little slimmer and the fabric's a little drapier, so they fall down nice and they kind of lay on the sneaker, which is the vibe that I wanted. And then these ones, they're jeans. So they're kind of rougher, they're wider, it's a more classic fit. Different vibe, but the measurements are the same. I just knew they were gonna fit me right, and they don't have to be expensive. These vintage polo ones were $80, which I know is kind of a lot, but in contrast to what's going on right now in fashion, it's a good deal. These ones are these were $30. There's some vintage Levi's, they were $30. Okay, they're shaping up to be one of my favorite pairs of pants, and they're like the same price as the Magic Spoon cereal that I was eating on the toilet. Like, that's illegal. Stop being lazy. Go get your measurements and then you'll be good. I'm telling you, it's the best investment you can get. But yeah, for fitment, oversized drapey, I don't care. It's that aloof fit, man. I don't care, man. And here we got arguably also the most important. This is all important. We got the most important part, the vibe of the fit, the last part, which is the part that I said you can't buy. These are the side quest things. I mean, there are a bunch of small things that you can probably buy to get you here. So I guess money can buy you happiness. I don't know. No, but some examples are just like accessorizing, details, fabrics, just really any type of personalization. Like here we got a regular crew neck jeans and sneaker fit that I found on, I don't know, Getty Images, maybe. And then I'm gonna wear the exact same thing, but bam, with my vibe, with all of my features that are just bad for employers. Like, this is horrible for getting a job. I'm not getting a job. And with this hand tattoo, I'm barely getting friends. So it's just the whole vibe that I have, and you can't really instruct on how to do this. These are just things that I like, but it changes the vibe. Same fit, different vibe. I guess it's like seasoning. It's like seasoning for your clothes. Like an example of stuff like this, or like just get some bracelets or something, or some silver that speaks for you. Or for you like graphic tees like me, just buy a bunch of stupid graphics that kind of speak for you. You can find a million at thrift stores, Grailed, Bump, it doesn't even matter. People are so focused on what piece or what brand to buy, they totally undermine the details, which is pretty much what makes your fit. Like these little cute little patches on my jeans, and these little dirt and scuff marks on my shoes right here. Look at this little tiny hole. I call this character, and I know I'm getting heat for that, but I don't care. It's called character. You can catch these hands. I even lace my shoes like little butterflies sometimes because I just don't care, man. I don't care. It's just a bunch of little crap that speaks for you. And if you don't associate with a lot of stuff in a certain style genre, then it's probably not for you. It's probably just not for your personality. And if you're trying to force yourself onto a certain style and play dress up all the time, that's posing. That's what posing actually is. But if you want to try out some new crap and see what works and see what you like and just explore, that's experimenting. And then you can take what you like and make it your own, and maybe you might associate with later. Who knows? Who knows? But don't force anything. And honestly, the skater street style genre of fashion is just a good foundation for whatever look you want. There's just a lot of work with essentials and stuff. So yeah. Go have a field day. So cool. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you got a kick out of it. And a big thank you to Shop Tagger for sponsoring today's video and keeping the lights on. Everybody go sign up now. It's the best thing that you can do for online shopping. All my homies are your homies, and all your homies are my... Go get Shop Tagger. Follow me on Instagram at ChristianVY for some cool meme fits, and Twitter at JK_Wiley to see me while out on the internet and get away with it all the time.